Today we are going to introduce you SmartODI, a SQL to ODI conversion system. The system fully automates conversion of SQL statements by any complexity level into ODI code within seconds. The conversion results will be mainly as ODI 12C mapping, but also package and scenario output is provided. After the conversion, the system also provides source to target mapping document as an additional delivery. All these results enormously increases development speed from days or weeks into seconds or minutes. Further, as the system avoids the unit test, it also speeds up the overall testing process. Within this diagram, we would like to show the overall system flow and how it works. Firstly, the input SQL statement or statements are entered into the system one by one or as a bulk entry. Afterwards, the template indicating how the results data should be processed is selected. The selected template enables the processing of input data such as type 1, type 2, or delta into target tables. As output, the SQL is processed and ODI code is generated. Within this demo, we are going to show you a sample SQL statement to be converted into ODI code. First of all, we enter the SQL statement into SmartODI by means of entering a single or bulk SQL, copy and paste, or accessing SQL from an Excel file. In order to have a satisfactory demo, we deliberately selected a quite complex SQL statement as it can be seen. As the next step, the template is selected to define how the target table will be created and parse processing will be started. At this stage, the system prepares SQL statement details, breakdown of all components, and source to target mappings. As you can see, you can find all mapping details in here. This next step is the optional validate step. At this step, the system performs all checks and controls and provides result as OK or error. If an error is identified, the error details will be specified, such as table not found, field not found, or similar. At this level, the errors should be corrected and the statements need to be reprocessed. Once the validation is completed with no errors, we can proceed with the create mapping step. The system is fired by processing the create mapping button. Within seconds of time, the SQL to ODI mapping is completed. At this point, we validate ODI mappings and reach the same stage as it would be reached from ODI Studio. All codes shown in ODI Studio are created as ODI 12C version. The created code is fully in line with data lineage standards, and it can easily be said that the code results are created as if created by a senior ODI developer in line with industry standards and best practices. Each subquery is created as a separate flow using ODI 12C components and not as a simple hard-coded entry. The system can easily be used for any ODI project, whether at beginning, already advanced, or already in production stage. A very applicable way would be Oracle 11G to 12C migration projects. One of the main highlights is that the conversion to ODI 12C will be made without using Oracle 11G legacy components. The system can also be used for improving coding standards. Existing hard-coded and non-data lineage code can be converted into 12C industry standards in high-quality results. Our contact details are as follows.